Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Black Business Spotlight. Check out who I'm featuring. Featuring a black business company that's based out of the Bronx, New York, and it is called Natty Dreadz. The owner name is Sandra Peters, and she been in business for 16 years. She specialized in lock maintenance and styling, and also lock extensions. Before she started Natty Dreadz, she was a music manager and promoter of reggae music. Now, most recently, she has started Natty Treasurez, which is a apparel line of hats, pillows, earrings, brooches, all kind of beautiful stuff. I'm going to put all her information in the description box. You can check her website out, and you can also check her Instagram. We connected in 2009, and she wanted me to create her some earrings. The beautiful part is I love to see the growth in my art, so it was so beautiful to see for her to allow me to continue to make her beautiful handmade earrings, pendants, and brooches. So y'all check out some of these. I'm going to do a giveaway with the consent of Empress Sandra. We're going to give away a pendant, we're going to give away a pair of earrings, and we're going to give away a brooch. In the comments section, can you please put in which one you prefer, a brooch, a pendant, or some earrings. And also, if you have Instagram, please go follow her on Natty Treasures or Natty Dreadz. And like I say, check her website out, and I will be releasing the winners after the New Year's. So you have to make sure you subscribe to this channel so you could see if you're the winners. I will call the winners out in my upcoming earrings of the day video. All right, so y'all support this black business. If you in the Bronx, go check her out, because she have a beautiful salon, very peaceful environment when you get your hair done. And we gotta support black business, as I always stress out. Support her, support her accessory line. If you're not in the Bronx and you want to fly there and get your hair done, you can do that too. All right, we gotta, like I say, we gotta support black businesses. I appreciate y'all for watching Black Business Spotlight. If you're a black business and you would like to be featured on Black Business Spotlight, please send me an email to this email below. Thanks for watching, and salam, salam.